Welcome to Linkasoarus. From your dashboard, you will be able to see the brand that you are a part of, as well as the number of team members, locations, and social accounts you are linked to. To post a message to your social account, select the envelope that says Add Post up top. On the following screen, it's a quick 3-step process. First, type in your post message. Remember, you don't need to add location contact information, because your location signature will automatically get tagged to the bottom of this message once you submit. You can schedule posts days, weeks, and months into the future. Once it's loaded, select Next. Step 2 already pre-selects your location to receive this post, so all you need to do is click Next. Step 3 is your review screen, where you can double-check your work before submitting. If everything is good, then select Submit, and you've officially posted. You can go to your Facebook page and see how your posts look with your new location signature attached. Now that you know how to post, let's learn how to harness the power of all the franchises in your brand and see what everyone else is posting. From the dashboard, go to Calendar, and you'll see 2 calendar options. The first is My Calendar, which allows you to see all the posts that you and your organization will have posted over time. Right now it's empty, but after you submit your first post, you will see on the date you posted a link that says 1 Posts, or however many posts were posted this day by your franchise. In this view, you can select month, week, or day view, as well as advance to months in the future or view posts in the past. The second calendar is called My Brands Calendar. In this view, you will see every post submitted from your franchisor and every franchisee's post from your brand that is using Linkasoarus. From here, you can pick a day that is showing posts, then review the thumbnail of all the posts. If you like something you see, you can click the post, which allows you to do a larger preview where you can read the information in the post. If you want to use this post as original content and send to your social account, select Repost. On this screen, you can edit the message to make it more relevant to your company. Then continue as you would normally post until submitted. If you want to find the contact email of the person who posted something you like, you can click their name from the show screen of any post. This will help if you have questions about the result of someone's post, as well as ask questions about the creative process used to create a professional-looking post. Now that you've learned how to post, let's look at your Google page. From your dashboard, click Linked. Once you've selected the linked page, you'll be able to see the number of Google My Business accounts that you are specifically linked to, as well as the number of social accounts. On this screen, you can see the name of the business, its address, the team member who is linked to that location, and the Google Review Start Rating Average. If you have more than one location linked to you, it will average it right here. As soon as you're linked to your Google My Business account, whenever somebody submits a review, that review will instantly be sent to your inbox. The emails look like this, and when you open the review, it will tell you the location that was reviewed, and you can click to read the reviews here, which will take you to your Google Review page. Most people sort the reviews by most recent. If you have a poor review, a common best practice is to look up that customer's information and contact them as fast as possible. Many customers will change their review, depending on how fast you respond. We are excited to have you a part of the interlinked world of Linkasoarus. If you need to review this training video again, go to your profile, go to Tutorials, and you can access this video here. Happy linking!